Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of redecorating and my hot cocoa bar. So I'm super excited about that. But what I want to do is focusing on my buffet back there. I had some battery fairy lights and I'm going to switch them out for these plug-in ones that I found at Menards. And they are so much brighter. I just plug them in and I don't have to worry about them going dimmer or replacing batteries throughout the Christmas season. So we're going to take off the battery ones, add the plug-in ones, and I think there's enough on this strand to even go around my Christmas tree over there because it's kind of dim too. MJ is here in case you hear some noise in the background. He's just playing, so we are having fun today. I already stole the batteries out of this pack because I needed them somewhere else because my other ones were dimming out. So I'm just going to pull these off. This is what they look like. Here's the little plug-in thing, and it has a pretty long lead in, and this is like 39.5 feet of lighted length. So I'm just going to plug them in and then start to install them.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore.
That is so much prettier. I am very, very happy that I did that. The tree is even a little bit brighter. I know it's hard to tell because it's daylight outside, but I think at nighttime it's really gonna shine. And let me just give you a look-see of what I did. You can see the little fairy lights running through there. 40 feet of fairy lights is a pretty good bunch of fairy lights. I have a couple of sets on my main Christmas tree, and then I thought about adding them here, and I love it.
No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear.
It is time for the hot cocoa bar, but before I deal with this mess, we're gonna make more of a mess, but I really want to add to my hot cocoa bar pretzel rods and marshmallows. So we're going to melt some chocolate, dip them in chocolate, and add some sprinkles. We're going to start melting our chocolate, and apparently you can melt them in this container. And once I figure out my microwave, we'll be good to go.
Yeah, easier said than done.
Yep. 2 minutes, power level 5, and start.
Ooh,
yay.
Yes, all right. And we're supposed to stir every 30 minutes.
30
guys.
seconds.
30 seconds. Woo!
It's going to smell like burnt chocolate.
Oh,
in here.
yummy. And yeah, we'll see you guys after 2 minutes. All right, that's what it looks like.
Hey, it's pretty cool. I'm just wondering if I should heat the other one and pour it in here so I have more to dip my pretzels in.
Yeah, since these are pretty long, so.
Neither of us have ever done this before. So we're just kind of winging it. And you guys are probably at home saying, no, don't do it that way. But you're not here.
That's right. So tell us, and then we'll see it tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow, because you know we're keeping up with this every single day.
MJ's yelling at us.
Yes. He's like, I want chocolate. Sorry, buddy.
That's right, not yet. All right, we're gonna try it again.
It looks so yummy. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, yeah.
Maybe I'll leave the spoon in and kind of
drizzle
it. I don't know.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna take one of these pretzel rods. This all came about because I'm cheap
Mm-hmm.
And I would not pay the price for the pretzel rods.
But they're so good.
Look at that.
Yeah, that looks awesome. What are we gonna dip it in?
I don't know.
Okay, good talk.
I guess we just let the chocolate run off. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, why not? So it's running off. I guess if we make any mistakes, guys, let us know in the comments if you are more of an expert at this. And then we will see it tomorrow. Well, today while you're watching it. Comment today, and then maybe we will do it again. Because like my mom said, the rods were only $2 for this big old bag.
Yeah, and they're not going to last very long around our house.
No, that's why we had to make them this year, because we bought them last year and it didn't. Whoa!
Yeah, we're going to have to get the vacuum cleaner out. Okay, let's see. What other sprinkles do we
We'll do
want?
the circly ones.
Circly ones. What are the... Oh, okay.
Well, they're round. Oh,
Wait, what's happening?
I don't know. Uh-oh. Oh, it's going to be a mix of sprinkles.
Okay, well.
Well,
Sugar's
okay.
coming out with them. I guess it's coming out that way.
Oh, interesting.
So yeah, it will be a mix. There we go.
Okay. Okay, so that's what they look like when they're dry. And it actually did not take very long. Here's some more wet ones. We ended up crushing some peppermint. You'll see over there. So that is what we have on that one. We're just experimenting, right, Mom?
Yeah, and you know, I may crush up some more, add it in a small jar so we can like sprinkle it in our hot chocolate.
Ooh, yummy. Yes. So what are you doing now?
I'm going to attempt to do a marshmallow. And we have these paper straws, and I'm just going to try to pierce the oh yeah, see? That was very easy.
Okay.
And I'm hoping it stays on.
Yep. We'll find out.
Like just dip it in.
Yum.
And then we're going to roll it in this roll it in this stuff.
Yum. Oh my goodness. That looks so good. I cheated and I dipped a marshmallow in chocolate already, and it tasted like a s'mores because of the chocolate and the marshmallow. Oh, yum.
I need a thing to hold them up like that.
We do. We need a cake pop stand.
Yes.
Oh well.
It's going down.
It'll get squished.
Here.
But alright. I guess we'll make some more.
Yes.
Okay. Alrighty. Here's what we ended up with. They look so yummy. And they taste really good too from what we've tasted. But we're going to let them all harden, and then I guess we will go from there.
Yeah, we each made ourselves one.
They will not make it to the bar.
Like scraps.
Oh my gosh.
Of
Pro tip, do it this way so you can peel
Just
it off.
the chocolate up. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Alright, well I think next step is to clear everything off so we can get ready for the hot cocoa bar.
Yay.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends.
All right, this turned out super cute. I am thrilled with it. I was trying too hard, I think. I was trying to keep all of the electronic things together, but once I split it all up, I covered the white part of the fridge, I think it all started to flow for me. Over here, I just have some cookies and these coffee caramels, so yummy, and then some Andes candies. We have some to-go cups. That's very handy when we go and look at Christmas lights or have to go someplace and it's cold. And then of course I have a sign back there from Michael's. I have my new electric tea kettle. I will link that for you guys. I am loving that so much. And then this I have used for many years. I just buy the powdered mix already in a canister and I pour it in a pickle jar. I just added a little knob to the top and spray painted it. And then I've had this for a few years too. And I have a little scoop in there to scoop into the cups. And then I was able to use my tier tray, which I'm so thrilled about. I just have some spoons for stirring, some Red Hots, some cookies, some spare cups, and definitely marshmallows, those are a must, and some Hershey Kisses back there. And then finishing it off, here is my little coffee station. So yeah, we'll give you a closer look because you know we just made those. I am going to turn on my electric kettle and we're going to have some hot chocolate.
Making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family. Some I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. How cool. I am so excited, you just don't even know. Anyway, please give this video a thumbs up, especially if you love hot cocoa bars, and be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!